Okay, so today's lesson is 6.5, solving percent problems. So you're going to use proportions to solve problems with percent. So step 1, first fraction is the percent. If you know what the percent is, write the percent as a fraction. If unknown, write x for the numerator and 100 for the denominator. Step 2, or the second fraction, is going to be your is over of. So let's look at problem number 1. We want you to make boxes around, so it's going to help you. So it says, what percent, make a box around, of 90, so usually the number afterwards, and is 45. So we made a box around the word what percent of and is. Do we know what the percent is? No. So remember, the first fraction bar is your percent. We don't know what that percent is, so it would be x over 100. Of, remember the second fraction is the word is over of. So it says of 90. Since it's of 90 is on the bottom, and is 45. Now this should look familiar because now it's x over 100 is equal to 45 over 90. Cross multiply, or what I would do is I would reduce this. Okay, so I'm going to divide top and bottom by, let's try 9 first. So divide top and bottom by 9 and you get 5 over 10. Divide this again by 5 and I get 1/2. So now I have a smaller number. So really this is saying x over 100 is equal to 1/2. Now you can cross multiply and you get 2x is equal to 100. Divide by 2 and x is equal to 50. Now it says what percent, so you need to write 50%. Looking at problem number 2. 12 is, here's the word is, and a number that is after it, or before is the word for is, 8% of what number? Remember, the first fraction bar is your percent. So here is your percent. 8%, writing it as a fraction, is 8 over 100. Then you have 12. Remember, this is over of. 12 is, so write 12 as your numerator. Of what number we don't know, so be x. Okay? If you can reduce, I would do so, because then you have a smaller number. I'm going to reduce this by 4, divide top and bottom by 4, and you'll get the answer of 2 over 25. So this is really saying 2 over 25 is equal to 12x. Okay, cross multiply and you get 2x is equal to, well, 25 times 12 is 10, 300, right? Is 10, is 4, 5, carries 0, is 5, is 2, yes, 300. Okay, divide by 2, and x is equal to 150. So this is 150. Don't put 150% because it's not asking for what percent it is. Okay, try number 3. See if you can put the box around where the words go and try to solve your equation. When you're ready, go ahead and push play. So you should have made a box around 45% of what number is 15. So you write 45 over 100 of what number we don't know, so put that denominator is 15. This can be reduced. 45 over 100, I'm going to divide top and bottom by 5, and I get 9 over 20. Now I can cross multiply, and I get 9x is equal to 300, because 20 times 15 is 300. Divide by 9, and x is equal to, 9 goes into 33 times 27. You have 3 left over. 9 goes into 33 times, and it's going to continue to repeat itself. So it's really 33.33. Don't put percent because it's not asking for what percent. It's just asking for what number. So it's 33.3. Okay, here's your word problem. Raul bought a t-shirt with a retail sale price of $12 and paid 99-cent sales tax. What is the sales tax rate where Raul bought the t-shirt? Sales tax rate is asking for is your percent. Oops. Okay, so if it's asking for the sales tax rate, it's asking for your percent. So if Raul bought, says of $12, so you have your two fraction bars. We want to know what the sales tax rate is. And then so of $12 is 12's denominator, and 99 cents is your numerator. Okay, cross multiply, you'll get 12x is equal to, if you multiply 100 times 99, you move the decimal over 2 places, which would be 99. Divide by 12, and x is equal to, 12 goes into 99, let's see, 8 times, which would be 96, subtract, it's 3, add your decimal and 3 zeros. 12 goes into 30 twice, which is 24. 12 goes into 65 times. So your sales tax rate is 8.25%. Sorry, can't see that.